up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you guys voted on a poll that I did last weekend, and this video won. It was the second place runner up, and I said whatever the top two were going to be, that I was going to film those. So if you want to be in charge or have a say in future videos, make sure to turn that bell notification on so that anytime I upload a video or I post in the community board, you get it, you will be notified. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you what bag I carry as well as what I carry in that bag. So like, you know, what's in my bag. If you guys want to see all the little details, make sure to keep on watching because we're gonna get started. So this is the bag that I carry on an everyday basis. This is the Louis Vuitton Graceful PM in the monogram print. This bag is really special to me because I got this last year for my birthday from my husband, and when we went to Los Angeles last year, I really wanted to hit something on my bucket list, which was to shop on Rodeo Drive, and I wanted to buy my first designer bag from there. So that was kind of like one of my dream come trues. So it's really near and dear to my heart because not only is it just like a dream bag, but also buying it there, it was just like an experience, I guess. It was just really fun. So it's a really special bag to me, and so yeah, I chose to get the PM size instead of the GM size because when I tried the GM size versus the PM, the GM felt more like a tote, and I wanted something that felt more like a handbag. I love the Louis Vuitton totes as well. However, I feel like I like the handbag because it feels like it could be casual as well as dressed up. So I wear this bag like everywhere I go. I love this. I've had it for about a year, and I did get it with the khaki interior, although they do have this like hot pink interior. But I just really like the neutrals. I feel like it goes with everything, and it has the little luggage tag on it, and I don't know, I just think it's perfect. It's the perfect size. My only complaint about this bag is that it's a magnetic closure instead of like a clasp or button. So if you have too much in it, which I usually do, it just kind of like flaps open a lot. I mean, the magnet is pretty solid and it's pretty strong, but with everything that I have in my bag, it usually kind of sits like this most of the time open. But for the most part, I mean, that's really my only complaint about the bag so far. So here's what I usually carry in my bag. I actually keep my bags pretty organized, especially with a handbag like this. I don't want to carry too much in it. I don't want to put junk in it. I don't want to ruin staining it or anything like that. So I'm pretty good about keeping things organized. However, there's a lot in my bag. So the first thing that, let's see, I'm opening up the pocket inside, and I keep, these are my sunglasses that I literally wear everywhere. I take these everywhere, so no matter what bag I'm wearing, these are it. These are from Krewe. I got these last year. I freaking love these. I get so many compliments when I wear these, and they go with literally everything. They're like a really cool tortoise shell. They have really pretty gold accents, and I don't know, I just love them. I literally wear them every day when it's sunny, obviously, and I bring them in every purse. Yeah, I'll link them down below where you can get them, but I absolutely freaking love those sunglasses. Like, I've never been somebody who has found like that pair of sunglasses that they take everywhere until last year. And so I think I've had these sunglasses as long as this bag. Like, it was about the same time that I got both of those. So yeah. The next thing that's in my bag is my wallet. This is actually a Coach wallet that I have had for, I want to say, I think it's been 5 years, and it's in beautiful condition. My ID is not here because my birthday is next month, so I'm waiting to get a new one. Yeah, I keep my wallet pretty clean as well, and I have no complaints over this wallet. I really like this wallet. I love that there's like a coin pouch. I keep like coins in there. Apparently I have coins in here. I had no idea. That's sweet. But yeah, and I like this because it matches the bag pretty well. Someday do I want a wallet from Louis Vuitton? Maybe, but they're so freaking expensive that we'll see. I think it matches the bag pretty well. I mean, it's not too much of a difference. You never really notice unless you look really close up to it. But yeah, if I can find this wallet or something closer, I'll link it down below because literally have used this as my wallet since 2014, and there's nothing wrong with it whatsoever. So next, this is the cosmetic bag that I keep in my purse at all times. No matter what bag I'm wearing, as long as it can fit it, I will put this in here, and I absolutely love this makeup bag. This is from Doll 10 Beauty. The feeling of it is incredible, but the shape as well. I mean, it's a shorter cosmetic bag, but it fits a lot in there, and it fits perfectly at the bottom of my handbag, so it actually kind of helps like as a shaper almost. So this is full of stuff, so I'm gonna like open up whatever's in here. So I have this Doll 10 Skin Reviving Setting Mist. I love to have this if I'm running errands all day or I'm out all day or I'm on vacation or whatever. This is just nice to have in my handbag to like freshen up my makeup. And then I guess I have my Galifornia blush from Benefit. I think it would be better to have the mini version in here instead of the full size version, but I really like this blush in case I'm in a pinch and I need to freshen up my makeup. I don't know, this is a peachy pinky tone, so it goes well with a lot of other things. I don't know if you've ever seen it before, but it's just really pretty. And I feel like even if I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, but I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to freshen up my makeup real quick, this is just a really pretty blush to wear. I have this face powder. This is in here because I don't really reach for it much in my makeup room, so I keep it in my bag because I don't really miss it otherwise. But in case I need like a face powder, this is the J. Manuel Filter Finish Luxe Powder. So I mean, I just keep it in my bag in case I need to touch up something. You never know. Let's see, there is a broken brush head probably to put that on, but I feel like, you know, this works in case I gotta powder up my face. So yeah, it's a little broken head that fits nicely in there. I have some CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer, obviously in case I need to touch up anything. I don't even know if this is my color. I don't even know what color this is, but it's in there. So yeah. I have these little Setz blotting translucent powder, so they come with like a little sponge, which I actually have a used one in here. Ew. But that's what they look like, and then they have a little bit of powder, so I don't really need to have the other powder thing in here. The Setz things work so much better for like blotting oil and stuff. I have some CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara in here in case I need mascara. I think I also have, yeah, a travel size. This is the Bad Gal Lash from Benefit. You can never have enough mascara, you know what I'm saying? Here's the wrapper to the Setz one that was already open. There's a random Marshall's receipt in here. Oh my god, evidence. There is a really teeny weeny Anastasia Brow Wiz. So this is meant to be like a travel one, so I've never used this before. I don't know what shade this is in. Soft brown. Well, that's not gonna match me, but it's in there for emergencies. You never know. That's so cute. It's so little. I have a, let's see, this is the Lancome 222. It's like a sparkly lip gloss. It's really pretty. I like to have just a variety of lip glosses in my bag at all times. It's kind of translucent, but it's got a peachy, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It's like, where is it? Right here. So it's just kind of like a nice shimmery. It has little like gold flecks in it. It's really pretty. For some reason, I have this like really pink Becca glow gloss. This is in the shade Camellia. I don't really reach for this much, but I mean, it's in there for emergencies in case whatever lip color I'm wearing is kind of pink. I can touch it up with this. And I always, these are my top 2 favorite things to keep in my bag at all times. So this is a lifesaver for touching up lip product. This is the Wonder Kiss Lip Plumping Gloss in Nude. I mean, I wear this stuff all the time. It's kind of the same color as that Lancome one, but it has like plumping abilities. I think, oh, it's this one right here, so it's a little darker. Love that gloss for touching up stuff. And then I also have the Midnight Cowgirl. I don't know why this one's in here. I would rather have the Fuel in here, but I have Midnight Cowgirl Hi-Fi Shine Gloss from Urban Decay. These are all super similar colors because I'm always wearing nude lips, but I mean, they're all like so similar, but this is the Midnight Cowgirl right here. So really, really similar lip colors. I mean, you can never have too many in your bag, you know. And then I have my Travel La Vie et Belle perfume from Lancome. This is my all-time favorite perfume, so I have the Rollerball in my bag at all times because we want to be smelling good. I have some feminine products that we don't need to show on camera because who cares. And then I have a ponytail in there because you never know. I think I have some bobby pins as well at the bottom of this bag. So just like a couple bobby pins, you never know. I honestly, I can never be too safe for touch-ups and stuff like that. So yeah, that's usually what I carry in that bag because I just feel like anything, I need to be able to touch up my makeup at all times. I have really oily skin, so I always try to keep that stuff in there, and I just love this bag so much. I mean, it literally fits all of that, and it goes really nicely at the bottom of my bag. At the bottom of this bag, there's more change. I'm freaking rich, I know. So I'm gonna stick that in my wallet because I'm just cleaning up while we're filming. 2 birds, 1 stone, you know? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I keep my bags really clean, but also this bag really can't hold a whole lot. I know it wasn't like too exciting. I'm pretty cleanly of a person when it comes to my handbags. All right guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon. And if you enjoy videos such as this, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.